And people need to know from all walks of life that Jesus Christ died to save them. He took their shame, he took their guilt. He's there to give them a new life, and they need to hear that.
So you were given a new life, right?
A new life.
Amazing. Amen. Seriously, that's amazing. Now, you're living in your own house with your kiddos and your husband. Would any of that be possible without the mission?
It wouldn't be possible, first and foremost, without God, but the rescue mission, through God's help, put me on the right path.
Now, if there's any message to leave with these amazing people tonight, what would you have to say?
Is that Jesus Christ loves you. He will never leave you nor forsake you, and he died to save you. And if anybody here has not given their heart to Jesus, I can't tell you. I invite you now to just give your heart to him, give your life to him. My life has never been the same. He has pulled me out of some of the darkest moments in my life, and he has walked with me through some of the toughest and carried me through some of the most horrible times. I cannot imagine my life today without him in it.
Thank you so much.